In this session, we delve deeply into the concepts of chakras, meridians, and the human aura, crucial elements in understanding the flow and balance of energy within the body. Our journey into energy anatomy begins with the chakras. Originating from ancient Indian tradition, chakras are often described as spinning wheels of energy located at various points along the spine. Each of the 7 main chakras corresponds to specific organs, emotions, and spiritual dimensions. 1. Root chakra, Muladhara. Located at the base of the spine, it is associated with grounding, stability, and basic survival needs. Imbalances here might manifest as fear or anxiety. 2. Sacral chakra, Svadhisthana. Positioned in the lower abdomen, it relates to creativity, sexuality, and emotional identity. Issues with this chakra can lead to emotional instability or creative blocks. 3. Solar plexus chakra, Manipura. Located in the stomach area, it is the center of personal power, confidence, and self-esteem. Imbalances can result in power struggles or a lack of self-control. 4. Heart chakra, Anahata. At the chest, it embodies love, compassion, and empathy. Challenges here often manifest in relationship difficulties or a lack of compassion. 5. Throat chakra, Vishuddha. Situated at the throat, it governs communication and self-expression. Imbalances might lead to communication issues or repression of one's true voice. 6. Third eye chakra, Ajna. Located on the forehead between the eyebrows, it is the center of intuition and foresight. Blockages can manifest as confusion or an inability to see beyond personal issues. 7. Crown chakra, Sahasrara. At the top of the head, it connects to higher consciousness and spiritual awakening. Imbalances can lead to spiritual disconnection or lack of purpose. Understanding and balancing these chakras can lead to physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. Next, we explore the meridian system, central to traditional Chinese medicine. Meridians are pathways through which qi or life energy flows. There are 12 major meridians in the body, each linked to specific organs and functions. The smooth flow of qi in these meridians is essential for good health. Practices like acupuncture and acupressure are based on stimulating specific points along these meridians to balance qi flow, addressing various health issues from physical pain to emotional disturbances. Finally, we examine the concept of the human aura, described as a luminous energy field surrounding the body. The aura is believed to reflect an individual's physical, emotional, and spiritual state. The aura consists of multiple layers, each corresponding to different aspects of our being. Understanding and working with the aura can provide insights into one's overall health and can be a focus in various energy healing practices. Techniques like aura cleansing and energy balancing are used to maintain a healthy, vibrant aura. By the end of this session, you will have gained an in-depth understanding of the complex and fascinating aspects of energy anatomy. This knowledge is not just theoretical. It provides a foundation for practical application in energy healing and psychology. Understanding chakras, meridians, and the aura enables a holistic approach to health and well-being, addressing the interconnectedness of our physical, emotional, and spiritual selves. Let's continue to explore and harness these powerful energy systems for transformative healing and growth.
If you're finding this lesson valuable, you can take your expertise to the next level. Join over 27,000 students at the Institute of Professional Psychology and earn your professional certification in this field. Scan the QR code on your screen or click the link in the description to access the full curriculum, workbooks, and your accredited credential. Let's get back to the lesson.